Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I will get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Mega Box break, which we got going on today, or a digital wax break. So, we've got the Panini Chronicles Football Mega Box. So that's 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. So hopefully we get something pretty cool out of here. These just popped up at our local store. So we're going to see if we can pull something cool. Before I do that, go below, leave me a comment. When you do, I'll get you entered into, that's right, 3 drawings. 1 for our digital weekly giveaway. We're giving away premium cards from our digital wax breaks, 2 for our monthly giveaway, and 3 for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This thing is stuffed full of autos, parallels, number cards, printing plates, sketch cards, you name it, we probably got it in here. And as always, with every break, we throw in an autograph card. So today, we are going to be throwing in a Braxton Miller Select Prism card 49/99 for that patch card there, that relic card, and a Brandon Gibson number 18/499. There's our auto, and that's his rookie card. And these 2 are going into the flawless briefcase. All right, let's get to it. I like Panini cards. Haven't opened up a box of these yet, so maybe we get something good. Let's see what we got. Mega. All right. Alrighty. Let's get something awesome. What do you think? We see any like big thick cards in there? Maybe. We'll see. All right, here we go, guys. Bag number 1. All right. Ooh, look at that. Got something on the back end already. Here we go. DJ Chark Jr. Chronicle. These are nice cards. Decent looking cards. Here we got a Luminescence. It's like a canvas kind of card. Canvas rookie card. Another rookie card, Jonathan Taylor. And what do we got here? Cool, that's a parallel prism. Prism type of card. It's a foil card. CD Lamb. Pretty cool. Then a Justin Jefferson rookie card. Pretty nifty. Parallels right off the bat. You got 1 base card, the rest were parallels. Not a bad pack at all. Alright. Here another canvas card. Guess that's how they roll with these. They're all kind of like Jalen Hurts. It's a canvas card. It's a refractor. Pretty cool. That's a prism, sorry. Prism card. You can tell by the hollow type of foil what's got going on with that. So a lot of rookies, a lot of rookie cards in these packs. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. Dan Marino, Miami Dolphins. Brandon Ayuk. It's a canvas kind of card. Jeff Okuda. And we got a Chase Claypool. And a Cole Kmet. Rookie cards. No number cards yet. But Prism Black. Panini Prism Black. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Bobby Anderson. And we got a Chase Young. Nice canvas rookie card. Joe Burrow, rookie card. Ooh, Legacy Rookies. Jalen Hurts. Pretty cool. Prism. Pretty cool Prism. Marshall Faulk. Lot going on with these packs. A lot going on with these packs. J.K. Dobbins. It's another type of canvas card. It's a luminescence card. You got a Jonathan Chase Young in like a, as you can see, it's like a lenticular clear vision card, rookie card. It's pretty cool. This one you can pretty much get sent in to get graded. It's gonna come back really high, if not perfect, because it's like a hard plastic card. So as long as there's no factory mess ups on this, this would be a good card to send in to get graded. For sure. I wonder if they do the autos on those kinds of cards. That would be something you definitely want to send in to get graded. Jacob Eason. Justin Herbert. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Edwards-Hilaire, Clyde Edwards-Hilaire. That's a pretty cool rookie card. Foil rookie card. There's a lot going on with these Chronicle cards. This is pretty cool. Get a chance, I think they're like $40 a box. Probably pay more at a hobby shop. Another canvas card. Oh, here we go. And we've got Jalen Reagor, 715 of 899 Elite. It's a rookie card. Nice. There's our first numbered card. Definitely sets itself out from the others. It's our first numbered card. Jonathan Taylor, rookie card. Tyler Johnson. Ooh. Cool. Rookie card. It's a canvas card. Type of canvas kind of card. And we got another clear vision card. Joshua Kelly. Michael Pittman Jr. Cool clear kind of card. Man, whoever's got to build sets for these, good luck. Master set's going to be like, what, 500 cards? That's a lot of cards. Canvas card, Jalen Hurts. Aaron Rodgers. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. Beautiful cards. And another one. Rookie card to boot. Jordan Love. Nice, cool kind of card. And we did get our elite rookie card, numbered 8 rookie card. So not bad. Pretty cool box. What do you guys think? Am I missing somebody in here? Did I say, oh my gosh, I can't believe you passed by that one card. It's so cool. Let me know what you think. But that was the mega box for the Panini Chronicles football. 12 different brands, including the mega box exclusive Donruss Elite. So a mixture of a lot of stuff in there. But thanks for watching, and we'll crack open a few more of these Chronicle football mega boxes here soon. Thanks, guys.